Cancer. The very word strikes fear in our hearts, conjuring images of suffering and loss. For decades, we've battled this formidable foe with surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. Treatments that, while often effective, can come with significant side effects. But what if we could harness the body's own natural defenses to fight cancer? This is the promise of cancer immunotherapy, a revolutionary approach that is transforming the landscape of cancer treatment. Imagine a therapy that doesn't just attack cancer cells directly, but empowers the immune system to recognize and destroy them. This is the essence of immunotherapy. It's about boosting the body's own ability to fight back, offering new hope to patients and their families. We are witnessing a paradigm shift in cancer care. Immunotherapy is no longer a distant dream, but a powerful reality, achieving remarkable results in some patients and offering a beacon of hope for the future. This new era of cancer treatment is about empowering the body to heal itself, offering a more targeted and potentially less toxic approach than traditional therapies. Let's delve into the science behind this groundbreaking approach and explore the latest advancements driving this revolution in cancer care. Our immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that constantly patrol the body, identifying and eliminating threats like viruses, bacteria, and even cancer cells. It's a powerful defense system, but cancer cells are cunning adversaries. They've developed ways to evade detection by the immune system, effectively hiding in plain sight. Traditional cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation work by directly killing cancer cells. But these therapies can also harm healthy cells, causing side effects. Immunotherapy takes a different approach. Instead of directly attacking cancer cells, it boosts the immune system's ability to recognize and destroy them. Imagine the immune system as an army and cancer cells as enemies disguised in friendly uniforms. Immunotherapy acts like intelligence officers, providing the army with the information it needs to identify and target the enemy, effectively removing the disguise and allowing the immune system to attack. This targeted approach not only enhances the body's natural defenses, but also holds the potential for fewer side effects compared to traditional treatments. By harnessing the power of the immune system, we're entering a new era of cancer treatment. One of the most exciting areas of immunotherapy is checkpoint inhibitors. These drugs work by cutting the brakes on the immune system, allowing it to attack cancer cells more effectively. To understand how they work, imagine our immune system has built-in checkpoints that prevent it from attacking our own cells. These checkpoints are crucial for preventing autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissues. But cancer cells can exploit these checkpoints to their advantage, essentially putting the brakes on the immune system and preventing it from destroying them. Checkpoint inhibitors act like brake releases, freeing the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. These drugs block specific proteins on immune cells or cancer cells that act as checkpoints, unleashing the immune system's full potential. The development of checkpoint inhibitors has been a game-changer in cancer treatment, leading to remarkable results in some patients with advanced cancers like melanoma, lung cancer, and kidney cancer. These drugs have been shown to shrink tumors, prolong survival, and even cure some patients. CAR T-cell therapy is another groundbreaking form of immunotherapy that takes the concept of boosting the immune system to a whole new level. This personalized treatment involves genetically modifying a patient's own immune cells to make them more effective at killing cancer cells. Think of it as creating an army of super soldiers programmed to hunt down and destroy cancer cells. Here's how it works. T cells, a type of white blood cell, are extracted from the patient's blood. These cells are then genetically engineered in a laboratory to produce special receptors called chimeric antigen receptors, CARs, on their surface. These CARs are designed to recognize and bind to specific proteins found on the surface of cancer cells. Once the engineered CAR T cells are infused back into the patient's body, they act like guided missiles, seeking out and destroying cancer cells with laser-like precision. CAR T-cell therapy has shown remarkable success in treating certain types of blood cancers, such as leukemia and lymphoma, achieving long-term remissions in some patients who had exhausted all other treatment options. While this therapy is still in its early stages of development, it holds immense promise for the future of cancer treatment. Section 5. Beyond the Horizon. Emerging Immunotherapies. While checkpoint inhibitors and CAR T-cell therapy have taken center stage in the immunotherapy revolution, researchers are constantly exploring new frontiers in this rapidly evolving field. These emerging immunotherapies encompass a wide range of approaches, each with its own unique mechanism of action. One promising area of research is cancer vaccines, which aim to train the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. Unlike traditional vaccines that prevent infections, cancer vaccines are designed to treat existing cancers or prevent cancer recurrence. Another exciting area is oncolytic virus therapy, which uses genetically modified viruses to selectively infect and kill cancer cells. These viruses act like tiny Trojan horses, slipping inside cancer cells and releasing substances that trigger an immune response. Furthermore, researchers are investigating ways to combine different types of immunotherapy or combine immunotherapy with other cancer treatments like chemotherapy or radiation. These combination therapies aim to enhance the effectiveness of treatment and overcome resistance mechanisms. Section 6. Stories of Hope, Real-Life Triumphs. The advancements in cancer immunotherapy have translated into real-life stories of hope and survival. Emily Whitehead, a young girl diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, was on the brink of death after enduring multiple rounds of chemotherapy and a bone marrow transplant. In a last-ditch effort, Emily enrolled in a clinical trial for CAR T-cell therapy. The results were remarkable. Her cancer went into remission, and she has remained cancer-free for over a decade, a testament to the life-saving potential of this groundbreaking therapy. Another inspiring story is that of former President Jimmy Carter, who was diagnosed with advanced melanoma that had spread to his brain. After receiving treatment with the checkpoint inhibitor pembrolizumab, his tumors disappeared, and he remains cancer-free today. These stories highlight the transformative impact of immunotherapy, offering hope to patients and their families who once faced limited treatment options. Section 7. Challenges and Future Directions. While the progress in cancer immunotherapy has been nothing short of remarkable, challenges remain. Not all patients respond to immunotherapy, and some experience side effects, which can sometimes be severe. Researchers are working tirelessly to understand why some patients respond better than others and to develop more effective and personalized immunotherapies. One of the key challenges is identifying which patients are most likely to benefit from specific immunotherapy treatments. Furthermore, researchers are exploring ways to enhance the effectiveness of immunotherapy, such as combining different types of immunotherapy or combining immunotherapy with other cancer treatments. Overcoming treatment resistance is another significant hurdle. Despite these challenges, the future of cancer immunotherapy is bright. With continued research and development, we can unlock the full potential of this revolutionary approach to cancer treatment. Section 8. A future free from cancer? The advent of cancer immunotherapy has ushered in a new era of hope and optimism in the fight against cancer. While we may not be able to eradicate cancer entirely, we are moving closer to a future where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but a manageable chronic disease. Immunotherapy offers a paradigm shift in cancer treatment, harnessing the body's own defenses to fight this formidable foe. The remarkable success of checkpoint inhibitors, CAR T-cell therapy, and other emerging immunotherapies has ignited a revolution in cancer care. The road ahead is paved with challenges, but the progress made in recent years is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of scientists, clinicians, and patients worldwide. With continued research and innovation, we can strive towards a future where cancer is no longer a source of fear, but a disease that can be effectively treated or even prevented. The future of cancer treatment is personalized, precise, and focused on empowering the body to heal itself. Cancer immunotherapy is leading the charge, offering new hope and a brighter future for millions of people affected by cancer worldwide.